Welcome friends, this is the voice of the simple trading professor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a trading account under Octa Africa. Octa is a broker. So you get to create account with the broker, which you have already done. You create account with your email and a password, okay? And a password. So right now, what we want to do is create a trading account under Octa. Now, one of the beautiful things is that you can have more than one trading account under your broker account. The broker account is the mother account. It's just the one account with your email and password. Then under the Octa account, you can create multiple trading accounts, even more than 10. So what we want to do now is go ahead and create a trading account under Octa, under our Octa account. Without a trading account, you cannot really trade. The Octa account is where you do your KYC. Broker gets to know who you are. This is where you do your deposits and also do your withdrawals. Okay. But if you want to start trading, let's say you deposit into your Octa account and you want to trade the money, you have to move the money into a trading account. So let me show you how to create a trading account. So when you get to Octa, you log in, go on the menu, okay? Go to the menu. On the menu, you click on trading accounts. You can see down here. Let's move it upward. This is trading account. So you click on trading account. You see there's a drop down button here. Click on the drop down button. You're going to see a list of accounts you can create. Account list shows you accounts you have already created. But what I want you to focus on is open a real account or open a demo account. For the sake of this, we're going to try to open a demo account, demo trading account, and connect it to our MT4 or MT5. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a demo account. So I click on demo account. When I get here, it still also asks me, do I want to create a real account or a demo account? So I have to choose the demo. Right now it's on real. So I tap on demo. So let's tap on the demo, you see. Now, what platform do you want to trade with? As a professional forex trader, I recommend you click on, okay, so because you see we have option 1, option 2, and option 3. As a pro trader, I recommend you choose the MT5 option or the MT4 option. Okay, this is Octa platform and this is Octa website. So they're going to recommend theirs, but what I'm telling you to go for is MT4 or MT5. Okay, so let's go ahead and select the MT5 option. So when I click on MT5, it is highlighted blue. Now we have to select our leverage. Okay, so let's go ahead and select the leverage. 1 to 100 to 1 to 500 is good. So let's pick in between 1 to 200. Now you got to select your balance. One beautiful thing about this Octa is that you get to choose your own balance. So that you don't begin to practice with $1,000 and the day you want to deposit into your real account, you're depositing $100 and then it becomes some so if you want to start trading with $300 like most of us is going to be doing, you put in $300 as your demo money. So when you're trading the trading on a demo account, you get to see and experience how it is the real thing, trading on a small money like $300 instead of putting $10,000 on your demo. So these are demo balance of $300, and then we click on create account. This is beautiful. So we click on create account. You see now what has happened now is the account number has been given to us. The trading, this is called the trading account number. This is the server, OctaFX demo, and this is the password. This is the investor password. So this is what concerns us, the main password, the trader password. Okay, so I'm going ahead to open the trader password. and copy it. I'm going to copy it, copy this, okay, and also take note of this. Now, how do you connect? We have created the account successful. As you can see, congratulations, demo account already created. The account is ready. Okay, we see the other parameters, the leverage, the amount, the dollar, the currency, and that is it. So how do we connect this to our MT5? Guys, this is MT5 that we have downloaded. So how do we connect it? So what I want us to do, go back to Chrome. I want us to copy the account number first. Let's have the account number copied, and also take note of the server. The server is OctaFX demo. So I copy this, I click on copy, I go to MT5. Now when I go to MT5, what I want to do is, so because some of you might be here and you want to go, or maybe you are here, you go to menu. The menu is that TV dash you're seeing. We call it hamburger menu. Okay, so you click on the hamburger menu. Okay, wherever you are, even if you are on the charts, you click on the hamburger menu. Even if you're on the trade, you click on the hamburger menu. So when you click on the hamburger menu, it takes you here. Most of you, you're going to be seeing manage account or get started. Get started. If you have not plugged in any trading account to your MT5 before, you're going to see get started instead of manage accounts. But if you have something there before, you click on manage accounts. Okay, so I click on the manage account, it brought me here. Now, one thing you can see here is that your MT5 can carry more than one account from different brokers. Okay, you can carry more than one account from different brokers. But what concerns us here right now is that we want to connect the trading account that we just created and put it on our MT5. We want to connect it to MT5. Now we are on account. As you can see, this is accounts. You see there's a S there, accounts, meaning that you can have multiple accounts here. Now under account, we go to manage account, or we want to get started. Under account, we want to click on this plus. Now, what is the meaning of that plus? It means we want to add. We want to add. Add what? We want to add account. So you click on that plus, and then it's going to ask you to find your broker. I told you can put in different broker here. Okay, you can put in different accounts from different broker. So you select your broker. Our own is OctaFX demo. OctaFX demo. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll choose this one, OctaFX Incorporated. So when we choose it, okay, we have choose this now. Now where consign us here is this. Okay, this is our consign here. Log in to an existing account. Yes, we have created it from the Octa platform, so it is already an existing account. So don't click on this anymore. You don't have to create a demo account from MT5. Create your demo account from the broker website, which we have done. So we click on login to existing account. We have copied the login before. We've copied the login number. So I paste the login number by long pressing here. So let's long press, okay, and paste. I go over to copy the password. This is the password. I click on this button to copy it. It's copied, as you can see, copied. Okay, let's copy it again for you to see. Copied, as you can see, copied. So I go over to there and I long press the password area and paste it. Remember, the server is OctaFX demo. So I'm going to change this by clicking on this drop down, and then I choose OctaFX demo. Okay, and then I go ahead and click on login. When I log in, it's going to give me, as you can see, this is a demo account, but this one is a live account. It's a real account. That is why there's no demo here. This is a real account, there's no demo here. As you can see, this one is a demo account. That's why there's no demo here. But one of the beautiful things I love about this is demo account is $300. You can put your demo account as $100 if you want to deposit $100 to your broker account when you want to start trading. So you got to start practicing with the amount of money you are looking at starting with. So our account has been connected. we can now go to the quotes, go to the charts, and go to the trade. One thing I want you to note is that, as you can see, this is account. You see the size of this account. Compare it to this size. This one is bigger. This one here is bigger. So the bigger one and the one on top is always the account that is activated on your MT5. So if we begin to place a trade and trade now, the trade is not affecting this account. The trade is not affecting this account. It's always affecting the account that is on top, the one that is bigger. The one that is bigger is the account that is activated. I want you to have this in mind. Okay, so if I want to trade on this account, what do? I tap on this account. Okay, this one will go to the top, but I click on sign in. So when I sign in, this one will activate and go to top. So you see this one is on top now. This one is not the bigger one. So if I go to trade, I see that the balance has changed. If I begin to trade, I'm trading and the trade will affect this bigger account. If I want to trade my Octa, I switch to Octa by clicking on Octa. I tap on Octa and then I sign in to Octa. The email is there already, the password, sorry, the login number is there, save already, the password is there, save already. I just click on sign in and then it gives me access to my account. So now if I'm trading, I trade on the Octa account. So I can just go and pick one of the currency pair, for example, the USD JPY. I pick the pair, I click on charts, and then I check the market, do my analysis, and then I take the trade I want to take. Let's say I want to take a buy trade right now. I can just go ahead. This is a demo account, so I can just go ahead and change my lot size over here. We're going to get to lot size, then I click on the buy trade, and then this is the first thing that will happen when you are taking your first trade. You have to accept the terms and conditions of MT5. So I go ahead and accept the terms and condition. I click on OK, but that trade will not be activated. I have to go and tap on it again, buy again, because it was not activated. Because why was it not activated? It was the first trade I was taking, and I have to agree with MT5 agreement. So now I go back and change my lot size, and I click on the buy trade. I click on buy. Okay, so right now it's going to activate. You see, buy, done. Look at the buy now, has been activated. This is the buy. Okay, with 0.01 lot size. If I come to my chart, to my trade on this menu, I'm going to see the trade down here. So this is a trade that will just activate, that is pumping. So guys, this is how you create an account, okay, a demo account from the Octa account, okay, from the Octa account. So that happens, or that applies to every other account. If you want to create a real account where you deposit money, now it's time for you to deposit money. You go over there, go to trading account, click on the drop down, and you click on real account. So you go to real account, you click on open real account. It takes you here again. You allow it to be on real. You select your MT5 where you want to be trading from, and then you select your leverage 1 to 200, and then you click on open account. That is it. You'll be given the login details. You go ahead and then you input it on your MT5 and you have access to your account.